Google AntiGravity new update is insane. You are wasting hours writing code line by line. You are stuck fixing bugs that an AI could catch in seconds. You are missing out on a tool that can build entire features while you sleep. Google just dropped something that changes everything about how developers work, and most people have no idea it exists yet. Hey, I'm Ava, and today I'm breaking down Google AntiGravity and the insane updates they just shipped in January 2026. This is not just another coding tool. This is a complete shift in how you build software, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it to level up your development workflow. So what is Google AntiGravity? It's an agentic development platform. You give it a task, it handles the entire thing. Planning, coding, testing, bug fixing, no babysitting, just results. Google announced it on November 18th, 2025, alongside Gemini 3. They pulled talent from Windsurf, built something next level, and launched it free in public preview for Mac, Windows, and Linux. Here's the difference. GitHub Copilot auto-completes your code. AntiGravity deploys autonomous agents with direct access to your editor, terminal, and browser. They create files, run commands, test in live browsers, and verify everything works. Example, you need a login form with database connection. Normally, that's hours of work. With AntiGravity, you describe what you need. The agent builds the HTML, writes the backend, adds validation, creates tests, runs them, fixes bugs, and hands you the finished feature. Real developers are using this to build complete applications from scratch, full-featured apps with APIs, database schemas, authentication, testing, and UI. Some teams report building features in 42 seconds that previously took hours. This works best on greenfield projects where requirements are clear. For legacy codebases with unusual patterns, you guide the agent more closely. The numbers back this up. AntiGravity scored 76.2% on SWE Bench Verified. That's a benchmark testing if AI can solve real GitHub issues in production code. Not toy problems, real bugs in real projects. It also scored 54.2% on Terminal Bench 2.0, which tests how well agents handle command line operations and multi-step terminal workflows. Now here's what makes AntiGravity different. It has two modes, Editor View and Agent Manager. Editor View is your normal workspace. AI-powered tab completions, inline commands, all the standard IDE features. Use this when you want hands-on control. Agent Manager is mission control. Spawn multiple agents working on different tasks simultaneously. One agent refactors authentication, another writes unit tests, a third builds a feature, all running in parallel. Watch them execute complex workflows in real time. This parallel execution is what makes AntiGravity powerful. You can tackle an entire sprint worth of work in a single session. I want to pause here and talk about something important. When I first started using tools like this, I was overwhelmed. That's when I found this community called AI Profit Boardroom, with over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. Okay, back to AntiGravity. Let's talk about the January 2026 updates. On January 13th, 2026, Google added Agent Skills. These are reusable packages of knowledge that teach your AI agent specific tasks, like plugins for your agent's brain. A skill is a folder with a skill.md file. You write instructions, code snippets, or workflows inside. The agent reads it and knows exactly how to handle that task. And these skills use an open standard from Anthropic, so they work across multiple AI coding tools. Practical example. Your company has a specific deployment process, certain scripts, certain checks, specific order. Create a deployment skill. Write down the steps. Now, when anyone needs to deploy, tell the agent to use the deployment skill. It follows your process perfectly every time. Two types. Workspace skills for your current project. Global skills for workflows you use everywhere. Both give you complete control over how your agents work. In December 2025, Google added Gemini 3 Flash. This model is 3 times faster than Gemini 2.5 Pro with the same reasoning power. Near instant code generation. The experience feels like talking to a human developer. This speed matters when you're iterating quickly or testing multiple approaches to solve a problem. Rate limits got better too. Free tier moved from daily to weekly limits. No more hitting walls mid-project. Paid subscribers get priority access with higher limits that refresh throughout the day. Let me talk about the model's anti-gravity supports. You get Gemini 3 Pro as default, Google's most powerful model for complex coding tasks and architectural decisions. You also get Claude Sonnet 4.5 and Claude Opus 4.5 from Anthropic. Both are top-tier coding models, plus GPT OSS, an open-source variant for more control. Different models excel at different things. Gemini 3 Pro handles big-picture architecture and complex reasoning. Claude Sonnet 4.5 nails precise code generation and pattern following. You can switch models mid-session based on your task. Need architectural planning? Use Gemini 3 Pro. Need clean, precise implementation? Switch to Claude. This flexibility means you always use the right model for each part of your workflow. The browser integration is powerful. Agents open your app, click through forms, test flows, capture screenshots, and record everything. They verify code actually works, not just looks right. No more manual testing loops. AntiGravity also generates artifacts. Task lists, implementation plans, screenshots, browser recordings. You see exactly what the agent did and why it made specific decisions. Leave feedback on any artifact, and the agent adjusts without stopping. This transparency builds trust. You're not blindly accepting code, you're reviewing documented decisions and verified results. There's also secure mode for teams. Set policies on what agents can do. Auto-execute in sandboxes, but require approval for production databases. Let me share the technology behind this. AntiGravity is a modified fork of Visual Studio Code, rebuilt to be agent-first. Traditional IDEs assume humans type code. AntiGravity assumes AI agents do the work while you architect and verify. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working, what's not, which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip. No hype, just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 46,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Here's what matters. Google AntiGravity shifts you from typing code to orchestrating systems. The Agent Skills update makes it customizable. Browser integration ensures code works. Multi-agent system tackles multiple features at once. It's free in public preview. Download it from antigravity.google.download. Try it on a small project first. Build something simple to learn how agents think. Create a few skills for your common workflows. Start with one agent before running multiple in parallel. The learning curve exists, but it's worth it. You're not just learning a tool, you're learning a new way to build software. Developers who master working with AI agents will have a massive advantage, not because AI replaces developers, but because it amplifies what you can do. That's it for today. If this was helpful, like the video so more people can find it, subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns, and check out those links in the description for the communities I mentioned. I'll see you in the next one.